Is it dangerous? Stop looking up my nose. What's wrong with you? Stop it. Stop it, woman. Stop. Okay, this is trail 17. It's into the mud pits here. I think that's the last of the mud pits. But anyway, 17 goes down this way. It's a blue trail. And of course it splits up. I don't know. We'll see. This is a blue freaking trail. There's no way I'm making that. One problem after another for me today, huh? Because I am too big of a chicken. Some of these trails, they're easier if you go one way on them. I think this one, I did backwards. We'll see. That's about all I want to go up. Posted, stop. Nice road here too, huh? Stay out of the briars. Stay on this side if you're a wuss and you want to do 17 blue. It's not exactly the fear of going up the steep hills. It's just, you don't want to run out of power, you know? Now I'm back out here on the main trail. But we made her, honey had to cheat one time.